In this video, I'm going to show how to install custom songs into Mutrix on the Pico store. Now, this is a free app. It has campaign and free levels and free songs you can play. The YouTube feature is missing at the moment, but I believe they're trying to bring that back sometime soon. By design, you can actually import songs into the headset from beatsaver.com, which is the same mappings that beatsaber uses. Now, to get this, you obviously need to buy the diamonds. I think it's £8 for enough diamonds to do your custom hack here. You do have to pay if you want to unlock this early, but you can play the game through and earn diamonds that way. However, obviously I'm just buying the £8 to save me a bit of time grinding through the game. So when you click on custom here, what it should do the first time you fired up the game, it may ask you permissions for storage and all the rest of it. So it should create this folder for you, which is beat maps in the root directory of your file storage. But what's going to happen on beatsaver.com, the zip files won't save into here. They won't play within the game, so you need to extract the zip files. So I'm going to cover a way you can do that without having a PC. So first of all, you're going to need the Aurora store, which I've shown in a previous video. You can go to the auroraoss.com. At the moment, I would actually recommend downloading the nightly version because the search function seems to be broken and unstable. So any of the recent nightly builds, you click into this, you click a build that you want, click download, goes up into your download section here, open and install. So that will now show up in your library here, and you go into this, it acts like a Google Play Store. Just get yourself signed into an anonymous account and then installer per session, and then search the store for RAR, which is this one here. Get that installed from a RAR store, and then in the RAR section here, you can see that all of the storage has come up here. The first time you launch the application, it is going to ask for permissions. Just make sure you can see all of your folders here and that you have a beat maps folder. So once you're happy with that, you know you're ready to go. So you can go back into the Pico browser. You can head over to beatsaver.com and start downloading your songs. I'm just going to use a few from a mapper that I like on beatsaber. Now, some of these are not going to work in Mutrix at the moment. I'm not sure what the problem is, but I think it's down to the custom walls. So I know that a few of the levels from this mapper have custom walls, so definitely this one here. So I'm going to download the song anyway by clicking download. It goes up into top right download section here, and it's a zip file, so I can't do anything with this from the Pico browser. So I'm just going to continue downloading a few songs here. And I think that'd be enough for this video. So they're all showing as downloaded, and they're going to be in the download section of the headset. So in my file manager, in the download folder, I'm going to refresh up here to make sure they're all going to be displayed. You can see I've got multiple zip files. Now, the easiest way to do this and get them into the actual folder you need, which is the beat maps, is to use that RAR application. From here, I can go into the download section. I can see the files that I've downloaded, all the zip files. What I'm actually going to do is just do a bulk extraction for these. So I'm going to tick all of the zip files, which are going to be the custom songs. And I'm going to click the one that's got the up arrow next to this folder icon. And by default, this wants to extract them straight back into the download folder. I don't want that. I want to browse. I'll go up a level so I can see all the storage. I can go to the beat maps folder, and I want them here, so I'm just going to click OK. So I'm just going to confirm it says storage emulated 0 beat maps, and to keep the files separate and in their own folders, I'm going to do extract archive to subfolders. Keep this ticked. Click OK. Now it's done. It's showing that they're all appearing in folders. I'm actually going to close the RAR application. In the file manager, I'm just going to confirm that they have gone into the beat maps. So you can see they've got individual folders here, and inside they've got the files they need. So with that done, we can now go back into Mutrix and we will see our custom songs.
Bye.